Welcome to the AFL classroom. Today we'll be walking through the proper installation of an AFL compression dead end on TS high tension low sag conductor. Installing a compression dead end correctly is essential for ensuring long-term performance and structural integrity in high tension power applications. In this video we'll cover preparation and conductor cleaning, assembling the dead end components, performing the compression process, and final inspection and verification. Let's get started. Before making any connections, we need to ensure that both the conductor and the accessory bore are completely clean. We do this by using a wire brush or abrasive cloth to clean the conductor strands thoroughly and checking the accessory bore for foreign particles and removing them if necessary. It is also recommended to tape the conductor before cutting. This helps maintain the round shape, making it easier to slide the end through the aluminum dead end. The aluminum dead end body should be installed barrel first over the conductor, ensuring that a sufficient working length protrudes from the tongue end. Next, we'll prepare the conductor by cutting back the aluminum strands to expose the core. Suggested method for cutting back aluminum strands are: tape the location where the cutback is needed, position a rigid cable trimmer around the conductor at the tape location, rotate the tool until the outer aluminum strands become loose, remove the cut strands carefully, bend the inner layer of wires back and forth until they fracture, and then remove the broken wires. This method ensures that we don't damage the core or the encapsulation while preparing the conductor. Now we need to install the steel eye forging onto the exposed core. Refer to Table 1 in the installation manual to determine the correct cutback length for the exposed core. When removing the final inner aluminum strands, use a light scoring technique to avoid damaging the core. Once the core is properly exposed, slide the steel forging assembly into place. Proper positioning ensures a straight compression and secure attachment to the insulator hardware. Make sure that the dead end eye is aligned properly when fastened to the insulator hardware. Now we move on to the compression process. Here are the key steps. Select the correct die size. It must match the marking on the steel barrel. Lubricate the barrel with AccuLube or a similar lubricant. Use the SH die set to compress the steel barrel in the span direction. Make the initial compression adjacent to the corrugation closest to the barrel. Each successive compression must overlap by at least 1/4 inch. Ensure full die closure for each compression, pressing the steel barrel completely to the end. Next, we apply the AFL Filler Compound, which serves 4 purposes. It protects against corrosion by sealing moisture out. It cleans conductor strands by removing oxidation during compression. It enhances holding strength by ensuring uniform compression force, and it blocks moisture wicking through conductor strands. Inject AFL High Tuck or AFCHT filler compound until it emerges at the felt washer. Then insert and drive the filler plug into place. Select the correct die size and compress the connector using the same technique as before. Ensure the compressed dead end has a smooth, uniform appearance. Remove any flash with a file or emery cloth. The final step is securing the terminal connector. Insert the conductor into the terminal bore and mark it. Apply filler compound inside the bore before inserting the conductor. Torque all bolts to manufacturer specifications. That completes the installation of an AFL compression dead end on TS high tension low sag conductor. By following these steps, you ensure a secure, long-lasting installation for high-performance transmission applications. Thank you for watching AFL Classroom. We'll see you in the next video.